Again, having a trading strategy is extremely important. As you can see, price went from great trade 1 to great trade 2, boom, and consolidated. And then, after price goes up from a major trade from take profit 3 to take profit 2 all the way up to 1810 from 1794, it will show us some type of candlestick pattern. Boom, it broke this trend line. Once price breaks this trend line, that lets us know that price is heading back down and it heads past all our trades. As you can see, price reverses and heads past all our trades. So this can happen to you, as this did happen in this market and got everybody out of this trade. So I understand how, boredom can come up in Forex. It can be come up in Forex. If, from February 2nd to February 3rd, it took 1 day for price to get all the way back up from February the 3rd, all the way up to, from February the 3rd, 1788, take profit 3, all the way back up to take profit 1 at 1814, February 4th. It took 2 days for price to literally go back in your direction from February 2nd to February 3rd, from February the 3rd all the way to February the 4th, all the way back up to take profit 1. It took 2 days the price to make this move. All these candlesticks represent 15-minute candlesticks. So it took all these 15-minute candlesticks to get all the way back up to take profit 1. It took 2 days from February 3rd to February 4th. This is why your psychology is extremely important. You have to notice that it will take 2 days. Price won't just go all the way up to take profit 1 and just starting off the beginning of this week of February 2nd. This was last week, beginning of the week. It just won't happen. It won't happen. This move didn't happen to the second week. As we can see, we scroll in, we keep scrolling. Price didn't get all the way up to take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. You're trying to swing trade this, and it didn't get all the way up here until February the 8th. To next week. Your psychology has to be is extremely important. That's why I'm dropping all these videos. So take the money out once price gets to take profit 1. As price will shoot past all your trades and get you out at trade 2 and trade 1, and shoot past all your trades, and you'll lose all your money, as this is a real market. I just wanted to explain this again, as price got to take profit 1 and shot all the way back down to take profit 3. And now you lost all your money. This happened in 1 day, from February 4th all the way down to take profit 3, from take profit 1 February 4th to take profit 3 February 4th. This move happened in 1 day. You lost all your money in 1 day. You can lose all your money in this market in 1 day. Forex is a real market, and you can make millions in this market as well, but you can lose millions in this market as well. You will lose all your money if your psychology isn't right. You'll understand, price will consolidate, boom, and then head back down. It doesn't have to break through. It doesn't have to go to take profit. It doesn't have to go all the way up to take profit 1 right away. Take profit 2 right away. It doesn't have to break past take profit 2 right away. As you can see, it took a whole another day from February 4th. This move didn't happen until February. It didn't get to take profit. It didn't get to take profit 2 until February the 7th, from February the 4th. 2022. So this can happen to you, and you can lose all your money. You can lose all your money. You can make millions in this market, but you can also lose millions in this market. So having a trading strategy that works for you, just get in that great trade 1 and great trade 2. Wait for price to retest back down. Wait for price to make a dip. Wait for price to dip back down, and then you could have got in that great trade 1 and great trade 2. As price is still making structure, making higher highs and higher lows. You can see right here, boom, boom. Price did not do this until it took a whole day for price to do this. Price just won't go all the way up here, all the way up here in 1 day. No, it took 2 to 3 days, a week for price to get all the way up here. 2 weeks. 2 weeks that price would make higher highs, will make a higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. Then it's nowhere in an uptrend. You have to wait for price to make a higher low. You have to wait for price to dip back down. This is where buyers getting in at the dip. This is where you'll see buyers get in, and then you can ride all the way up to this higher high, this next higher high. Same thing here. Wait for price to make a higher low. If you miss that trade, just get out the trade. Boom. Once price makes a higher high, once price makes the first higher high, get out the trade. Boom. Wait for price to make a higher low. If you didn't get out this trade, price which has shot you out of this trade, boom. If you depending on where you got in at, and you got in at the middle of an uptrend, price shot you back down and you lost your money. Just take the profit. You're up $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, 10 grand, 20 grand. Take the money, 30 grand. At price, you don't know what this market wants to do. Price can do anything in this market. Price makes a higher low and then makes a higher high. Same thing. If you're trying to sell this and all the way down to this higher low from this higher high, and you're trying to sell it to this higher low, get out the trade as price is still in an uptrend. It's just dipping back down, just retesting back down before going back in the overall direction. And I will show you that too again. I will show you that as well. Wait for price to make a higher low and then it'll make a higher high. Wait, see, price is just retesting, it's just retracing as price does. It'll make market structure and then retrace back down before making a higher low, before making a higher high. During this time, when price is doing that, in such cases, when prices is not in a clear uptrend, traders may opt and step aside until an uptrend is clearly visible. So just wait, step aside, as traders will step aside and wait until price is in an uptrend and it's clearly visible that price is in an uptrend. So these tips. Again, use the previous low as a stop location. Look for price to reach a previous low, but are not able to break through. This is a good indication that sellers are no longer sellers, and we could be setting up for a move higher. So wait for price to reach a previous low. Wait for price to reach a previous low, and then we could set up, and then we could be setting up for a move higher. Then we can place in once price makes a previous low. Then once it makes a higher low, then we can adjust to the market and get in for a higher highs. As all trends are temporarily, as price just won't keep going down, 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 down. It's going to head back up, even if they are strong and have potential for making even if it's a strong retracement and it looks like a reversal, price can do whatever it wants. Like, just get out the trade, as all trends are temporary. Even if they are strong or have potential for making profit, never risk too much on one trade. You're over risking too much money on one trade, and wait for price to just make a previous low, boom, and then you could have got in for a higher high and roll this all the way back up. As we go back to the market, boom, as you can see on the 15, and then we're going to scale into the 1 hour and the 4 hour to see the overall trend. Just on the 15, you can see more structure. Wait for price to make a previous low, and then you could have got back in from take profit 3 all the way up to take profit 2. Price is going to consolidate before what? Heading all the way back up. It broke out. Either will break back down after consolidation, it will break back down to take profit 1 and take profit 3, or it'll go up to take profit 2, consolidate, and then go all the way up to take profit 1. We see a breakout after this consolidation from take profit 3 to take profit 2. We see a consolidation, then what? A breakout to take profit 1. Boom. Then what? Consolidated, boom, and then what? We see a breakout to take profit 1, back up to take profit 1, consolidated at take profit 1 again, and making another dip. Price make a higher low, consolidate, and then eventually break up back up to take profit 1, make a higher low, consolidate, and then eventually what? Price breaks all the way back up to take profit 2, goes all the way up to take profit 2, all the way up to take profit 2 at 18.21, and then eventually what? Price will make a higher low, boom, back down, price made a higher low, consolidated, and then what? We see a breakout to take profit 3. Price will do the same thing over and over again, gang. This is a true uptrend. This is the trade you was trying to swing trade. You were trying to swing trade this one. You could have gotten great trade 1, great trade 2 on February 4th, and you could have swung trade this all the way up to February the 8th, 2022. So you have to look at structure. You have to put everything together. As you could have wrote this from February 4th all the way up to take profit 3. February the 8th, 2022. So trading. I know trading can be boring when you're just looking at candlestick patterns, but you have to allow price to make structure. You have to get out the trades, as price can reverse back down on you, and you can lose all your money. So extremely important to understand. I'm gonna be breaking down more videos. All right, gang.